What's up, everyone? So, before we get started, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for getting me to 800 subs. I honestly never thought I'd make it this far, but let's keep it going. We're almost to 1K. Oh, yeah, and it's another rug. Sorry. Alright, so first we stretch out the fabric onto the frame. Next, let's grab a projector. Now we trace. Done with the tracing, let's turn the lights back on. Alright, let's begin. I always start out with the outline. Now that that's done, we go on to the first color. And now we do Killua's hair. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the lightning. And let's fill it. Almost done. Let's throw on the background. And now we finish the small areas. Check! First one's done. Now we just gotta do it all over again. Perfect. Alright, now let's glue. And we wait. Okay, let's grab our scissors. We cut them out and let's fold in the sides. Now let's throw on the backing. Done. Enjoy, guys. And there you have it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Anyways, I'll catch you next time. Bye.